Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back my YouTube channel Rimsha Decoration. I hope all my viewers are fine and enjoy the day of life. If you know about my YouTube channel or like video, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. And please make sure press the bell icon so you told another amazing video like this one. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. And then don't miss another amazing video designs and decorations. So guys, I am back with another beautiful idea about birthday cake decorations in different styles, different color combination and different sizes. Here are some amazing, delicious and eye-catching doll cake decorating ideas that suit both home-run and professional parties for girls. All the designs looking so attractive, so stylish, so amazing, so beautiful, special for baby girls and girls. All the designs are amazing, stylish doll cake decorating ideas that suit any celebrations. Doll cake decorating ideas special for baby girls and any other party for girls. How to decorate your cake with a beautiful way. I provide you simple idea for your cake that is most essential, that is most creative. If you like any designs, and take a screenshot of it. If you have any question about my YouTube channel, then please ask me in comment box. Thank you so much everyone for watching my YouTube video and collecting my beautiful channel in these types of design, in these types of video. I hope you love my cake designs. I hope you love my cake creativity. I hope you enjoy my cake designs. I hope you love the designs of creativity. I hope this design and this creativity are fantastic. I hope this video is very authentic and creative for your beautiful video and beautiful ideas. Cake decorating ideas can elevate any celebrations. Doll cake decoration ideas transfer space into bright celebrations. All the designs are very amazing, stylish and very unique and trending. If you like more ideas, specific decorating tips, please visit my channel and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. If you like any designs and take a screenshot of it. You can use each design for baby showers, bridal showers or any other celebrations for girls. If you want to see more make party decoration ideas, cake decoration ideas, then please visit my channel. Thank you so much everyone.